This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Almog. 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths in a gated community, large screened-in patio, split floor plan, walk-in closet, water/sewer and trash included in the rent. All ceramic tile floors, washer/dryer, small pet OK, central air conditioner. Community offers beautiful grounds, tropical landscape and lakes, clubhouse, fitness center, swimming pool, hot tub, sauna and barbecue/picnic area. For more information, review the details below.